Here's my quick recipe for a budget-friendly chicken Alfredo for a big family. Obviously boil water. Fresh garlic. Peel and chop some. Also, I like to add garlic salt in my water to help it boil and give the flavor to noodles. 2 boxes of pasta of your choosing. We like penne because it's easy to get sauce. 11 minutes for al dente. Drain, don't rinse though. 2 jars of Alfredo sauce. Add the fresh garlic from earlier. 2 cans of chicken breast. You can use fresh if you'd like. Make it spicy. After you've seasoned, then you stir. And there you have it. Quick fix, simple chicken Alfredo. Delicious, and everybody will love it. Hope you guys enjoy.